In today's video, I'm sharing the best double-story elevation ideas for modern homes. Smart, practical, and timeless designs that actually work. Stay till the end, because these ideas can save you money and design mistakes. Let's begin. Why double-story elevation matters. The elevation is the face of your home. It creates the first impression. A good elevation makes the house look taller and wider. It defines the overall style of your home. It increases property value. It helps your home stand out in the neighborhood. A balanced elevation looks premium even on small plots. It connects architecture with lifestyle. Good elevation improves day and night appearance. A smart design stays modern for many years. Modern box-style elevation ideas. Box-style design is perfect for modern homes. Clean, straight lines create a sharp look. Simple shapes avoid visual clutter. No heavy detailing keeps it elegant. White, gray, and beige work best. Wooden or texture panels add warmth. Glass railings enhance the modern feel. Flat roofs look clean and trendy. This style is low maintenance. Ideal for city and urban houses. Balcony and structure design ideas. Balconies add depth to the elevation. Glass railings give a modern finish. Metal railings suit minimal designs. Wooden ceilings add a cozy touch. Projected balconies create strong visuals. Recessed balconies look clean and neat. Planters make balconies look lively. Symmetry keeps the elevation balanced. Open designs feel light and airy. Balcony design should match the whole house. Color, material, and lighting combination. Use only 2 to 3 colors. Light colors make the house look bigger. Dark shades are best for highlights. White and gray never go out of style. Beige and brown feel warm and classy. Wooden textures add natural beauty. Stone or tile cladding adds strength. Use materials only as highlights. Warm lights create a premium night look. Hidden LED lights enhance modern design. Common mistakes and smart final tips. Don't over-design the front. Avoid using too many materials. Don't copy big villa designs blindly. Ignore trends that won't last. Always consider sunlight direction. Plan lighting from the start. Keep gate and boundary matching. Think about future maintenance. Focus on balance, not decoration. Choose timeless design over show-off style. A double-story home deserves a thoughtful and modern elevation. Which design inspired you the most? Tell me in the comments, and if you want a full video on any category, I'll create it for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video with more amazing home design ideas.